Rhode Island. About to start another great mall tour, the 5th of 2019. Going to meet the Houlihan brothers getting in all kinds of trouble, so let's check it out live from Providence, Rhode Island. Up here, my delicious Taco Bell meal. Got Kevin, Ryan, both of them. Can you tell which is which? I can't. So what do you think of your Taco Bell?
It was all right.
You seem to really enjoy the nachos.
Nah.
I couldn't film his reaction to the nachos because it was a little too much. I thought it was over the top. Oh, he's got it. Oh my God, as I live and breathe.
Yeah, I would have worn mine, but it was dirty.
How many times do you wear it?
Every week.
Oh my God.
At least 6 times a week.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Free promotion for Vibe Productions, which is good because that's our budget. Oh yeah. I gotta say, this is probably like one of the more beautiful malls I've toured. Like, I mean, it always looks good in here. The lighting is always fantastic. It's got, 4 levels, so it's not to love. And unlike most malls, they're always adding stores here. Like every time I go to a mall, they've lost like 5 stores. This place, they're adding stores. Are there any new stores you could recommend?
No.
All right, good. There you have it. Kevin is useless.
Lolly and Pops.
Hey, look at that. See?
Oh yeah, that's new.
Ryan is now overtaking you. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go back in time here. Check out this modern candy store. What's up, Brian?
Yeah, every.
Oh, is that really it? Oh God.
Voodoo.
How much is it?
I don't know.
Excellent. Comics is hiring. Ryan's already got the shirt. He works here already. Hey.
The mall life.
Here, Bobby. I should have one. Do you? Or similar.
You got the full
Can
costume.
we get Venom in the Spider-Man movie? Am I right?
No, you
Topher
did.
Grace,
Topher
man.
Grace. Fantastic role.
Remember? Can we get Spider-Man in a Venom in a good Spider-Man movie?
Oh.
Hey.
Looking good, Bobby.
Hey, think these come in a bigger size?
Maybe.
There's still some of my face that's not covered. Can't see. No. Oh, orange in here.
It's because you had that orange candy earlier.
Hey. Funny thing about these is they take like 5 minutes to actually finish, but like the first 30 seconds you're like, whatever. Right now I'm like, whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
And then you think you know what's coming, like oh, it's gonna fizz a little bit, and all of a sudden it's like,
Really?
it's like a clown car. You don't know how they put it all in there. Here it goes.
It's happening.
Yeah, what was it over? Even more. That's a little overwhelming. Right, here we are back at Providence Place. Now, I've been here a number of times. I'm sure you've been here a number of times. Are there any fun facts you can give us that maybe I haven't mentioned yet?
Some people made an apartment here and lived here
Oh yeah.
for like a year or 2, right behind the walls.
Okay, nobody knew it.
No one knew.
How do you make an entire apartment and nobody sees it?
When they were building it, they noticed there was like a spot where the thing was getting built, and they just figured out a way to get to it smaller than
I would totally live in an apartment in a mall.
I think there's like a documentary or something about it.
I think I'm gonna have to watch it. I'm not a big documentary person. It's a pretty saucy shirt. Hey.
How do you get it to hatch in the box?
Just shake it. Make a wish.
Kick it.
Just like a real kid. Get a nice shot of this descent into madness. Not a bad little mall. So, where to next, guys?
Hey guys, should we go film in Victoria's Secret?
Oh, that would be pretty secret of us.
I can
Ryan?
figure it out.
Hey,
I'll figure out the secret.
I'd like to get to the bottom of that. Hey, say there's really not too much on this floor compared to the top floor had a lot. I mean, I don't know unless you guys have seen anything you like.
I may be full of shit with this elevator.
Come on, Kevin, you don't lie about elevators.
Yeah, man, that's not cool.
No. Friends don't lead friends to no elevators. It's my new slogan. from now on.
Oh, elevator tours, spin-off series.
I do love elevator tours.
Hey, Ryan, you found the elevator.
How does that make you feel? Fine. All right, good.
Where are you taking us, Ryan?
I did not have a good feeling about that. Felt like we were about to go into a fitting room. People were going to scream.
Keep phones out. Love it.
Don't do it. We're not in 8th grade anymore.
Fine.
All right, fine, we are. Like this 80s music. Well, that didn't go as planned.
I wonder where he ended up.
Kevin, we will rescue you.
He's screwed.
I don't have a brother anymore. Let's go.
All right. Next stop.
Who could be in this elevator?
I don't know, but I'm getting in it at this point.
You getting in?
Let's get in. We're going.
I don't know where we've been. That's surprisingly fast for this thing. Waiting for it took 10 minutes, but... Hey-o.
Wow. Kevin, where are
Fast.
Oh, hey,
We
guys.
are hitting the first floor.
Yeah.
More stores.
Hard.
I think there's a Lego store up here. Down here.
Yep.
The same great one John wrote that message of. Cool Venom and Spider-Man action there. Kevin's gonna rebuild Washington, D.C. out of Legos. Oh, yeah. Alright.
Hey, look, it's Providence.
Oh, there's where I got lost.
Dance, Ryan.
Let's go sit down somewhere and give this a
Try
proper
that
review.
Mountain Voodoo.
Well, here's the thing. It starts to taste like whiteout, and I got my hopes up. I'm not kidding you right now. This tastes like candy corn.
Oh, all right. That makes sense.
Like halfway into my actually not minding it, I got like a really bad taste of candy corn. Like I don't know how they did that. It's almost like the Willy Wonka candy that changes flavors as you eat it. Like, but it doesn't change into a good flavor. It goes, hey, here's a good flavor. Just kidding. It's candy corn. To the higher floor, Mountain Voodoo, whatever stuff.
Hi-yo.
Hey,
You said it wrong.
I did. Tell me I said my own catchphrase wrong. You said it wrong. I am me.
Sure?
Hey, last time I checked. All right, here we go. I don't know why I'm advertising this. It's really not a very good soda. I mean, if you like candy corn, just buy candy corn. Don't buy the soda.
But what if you want to drink your candy corn?
Yeah.
And then liquefy it in a blender or something.
For you.
What do I got to come up with a solution for all these bizarre problems you guys come up with? It's not what I'm here for. I'm a simple man filming simple videos at a simple mall.
5 out of 6. That's actually a pretty good rating.
You say 5 out of 6?
I thought that's what you
No, I
said.
said like 5 out of 10.
Salvation game?
Got him. Nice job. Oh, never mind. You suck. My celebration was premature, as it usually is. That's nice. I played this so many times, I know like what the strategy is. The air just like stopped. Like the puck is like not moving without me hitting it. I mean, it is like Kingston. Oh, that was something. Oh, nice. Might have been exaggerated for dramatic effect. Oh, jeez. You didn't show me that in training. Hey-o. Woo-hoo! It's a me, Mario. Oh, God. Did I just, like, phase through that like a turbo? Ah! Second place. Just like in real life. We don't want no more flavors, we just want the good ones. That's right, I'm showing ya. This is what we don't want, Mountain Dew. why don't you understand? Mountain Dew is in demand, but not when you make such lousy flavors. Baby, won't you do me a favor? Come back, White Out. Come back, baby. We need you. White Out. White Out.
He's done.
Lemon meringue cheesecake. Oh my god. That is so good. Makes me happy in a way that most food cannot.
We're here at the Cheesecake Factory.
So
Bobby, what did you order?
Why, as a matter of fact, I got some cheesecake. Lemon meringue, in fact.
Ooh.
But unlike a bad car, this is a good lemon.
Heyo.
To the mall tour! Wow, that seemed a lot more epic in my head. Got some delicious cheesecake and awesome memories here at Providence Place 2019. 5th mall tour in the books. What do you think, guys?
Mall tours.
Mall tour rules. Oh, show them the shirt. Yeah, we're going to get an X rating for the end of this one.
Should I show you my mall tour underwear too?
Nah, I'd rather you didn't. That's for the next one. There you go. Yeah. Someone's got to say it. See you in the next mall tour. Blah, blah.
So like that ends another beautiful mall tour. Thank you, Providence.